Welcome to CSS Chronicles. Prisoners of Geography. Key points from previous chapters have been covered in other videos. Click here to watch. Key points of Chapter 7 related to Pakistan and India. Number 1. Historical legacy of geopolitical boundary disputes. The unjust division of natural resources and geopolitical boundary disputes have remained a source of tension since day one. Pakistan received just 17% of national reserves of original India, after end of the colonial times. Both countries have fought several wars. However, unresolved geopolitical disputes are still a cause of disagreement between them. Moreover, Pakistan was impacted by partition way more than India. Expect northern Punjab and a few parts of Sindh. Majority areas of Pakistan were economically backward and had ethno-linguistic roots. This legacy of unjust partition still haunts Pakistan, making it prisoner of its geography. Number 2. Kashmir conflict. One of the most prominent geographical factors affecting India and Pakistan is the dispute over the region of Kashmir. The book explains that the topography of the Kashmir region, including its mountainous terrain and access to water resources, has contributed to the ongoing conflict between the two countries. The Kashmir issue is partially one of national pride, but it is also strategic. All major water bodies for Indo-Pak pass through this region. Full control of Kashmir would give India a window into Central Asia and a border with Afghanistan. It would also deny Pakistan a border with China and thus diminish the usefulness of a Chinese-Pakistani relationship. Number 3. Rivers and water. The Indus River, which flows through both India and Pakistan, plays a crucial role in their water security. The book highlights how the control of water resources and access to rivers like the Indus have been a source of tension between the two nations. The Indus Water Treaty, brokered by World Bank, has failed to solve the water dispute, especially after changing global warming and climate change. For Pakistan, being lower riparian country, it either is left with water scarcity or is flooded during rainy seasons and high flows. Moreover, India has been constantly building dams, which influence flow of water through Pakistan's share of river bodies. Number 4. Lack of strategic depth. Due to geographic constraints, coaxes Pakistan to prioritize its defense. As the map of Pakistan indicates that it is a vertically elongated and less in width. All the nuclear assets and choke points of Pakistan are within shooting range of Indian missiles. Moreover, both eastern and western borders of Pakistan are hostile. In case of attack from both borders, Pakistan will have tough time defending crucial assets. Hence, the nuclear doctrine of Pakistan is based on first use. This leaves Pakistan in a tough spot, famously known as nutcracker situation. Number 5. The Durand Line in Afghanistan. Since inception, the Durand Line has remained a cause of conflict between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Later, 9/11 and war against terrorism enhanced hostility of Afghanistan towards Pakistan. Based on adage, enemy's enemy is my friend, India and Afghanistan became allies to counter Pakistan and China. Number 6. Warm waters of Gwadar and Gwadar Port. The deep water port of Gwadar has remained an economic source of attraction for big powers. The Cold War era brought Soviet in Afghanistan in quest of warm waters. Number 7. China-Pakistan Axis and China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Prisoners of Geography discusses how Pakistan's geography has influenced its foreign policy and alliances. Pakistan's proximity to China and its access to the Arabian Sea through the Gwadar port have led to a close relationship between Pakistan and China, which has significant geopolitical implications for the region. This axis is also a fundamental reason behind Indo-Pak rivalry. It leaves India in the exact same spot as Pakistan in case of Afghanistan-India axis. Number 8. India's maritime ambitions. The book underscores India's aspirations to become a major maritime power. Its geographical location along the Indian Ocean gives it strategic advantages in terms of trade and influence, and India has been investing in its navy to secure its interests in the region. It has multiple maritime alliances with USA, UK, Australia and Japan, for example, Quad and Quad Plus. Number 10. Nuclear powers. Both India and Pakistan possess nuclear weapons, and their geographical proximity adds an extra layer of complexity to regional security dynamics. Number 11. Indus River, a source of inter- and intra-conflicts. As a result of global warming and changed climate patterns, the Indus Basin has been running dry. Also, the dams built by India reduced flow of water in Indus over the time. Not only among these countries, the intra-provincial conflicts are rising within Pakistan due to water scarcity. To conclude, India and Pakistan can agree on one thing: neither wants the other one around. As aptly pointed out by Tim Marshall,